Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, you children know that which topic are we doing right now? From
Yes.
last two, 3 days.
Yes. Division. Division. Good
Because
morning,
our
ma'am.
this chapter number 11 is having two topics covering the in this chapter there are two topics. One is multiplication and one is division. And from last 2, 3 days we are doing the division. We have done division on number line. We have done division by grouping. We have learned we have learned division how to divide. Wait a minute there, yeah, I'll ask. Okay. Then we have done how to divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now we will move ahead with the next today. Yadaharya, please tell me what is your query?
I have two doubts. One, I didn't got any reply on my work. Did you check?
I have sent yesterday. You after the class, please check.
Okay, ma'am. And
Okay.
ma'am, when this chapter CT will you will inform, right? Before two,
Just
three
a
days.
minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Can you please little speak a little louder?
Yeah, I'm saying that when you the CT, when it will
Mhm.
come up this chapter, that time you will say before few days, right?
CET. Yeah. I'll inform. Okay. There are still 2, 3 days. This chapter will go, and then after I think probably on Monday we'll conduct the CET. Or after that. Okay. It will take 2, 3 days more because there are 2, 3 topics are still pending and some textbook exercises are still there to complete this. And then after that, we will do the CET of this chapter. Okay. Now, as we have yesterday, we have done a 2-digit dividend with a 1-digit divisor. This division sums we have done. So you all know what is dividend and what is divisor and what the answer will come in the division sum. That is
Yes,
called
ma'am. Product.
product in the division lamha.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Quotient.
Yes. And what is remaining? That will be the
Remainder.
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 Yes. So yesterday we have done some textbook questions also, and I told you to please send me the textbook questions. When you solve in the notebook, please attach that work also and send me. Only 2 or 3 students have sent me. What about the others? Please send your classwork which we have done yesterday from the textbook.
Ma'am,
Send
I've
that
sent it.
also.
Ma'am, Ayush Sani I sent, right?
Yes, Ayush, Riva Kataria, 2, 3 students have sent
Ma'am,
me.
Farzan
So we
Bastawala.
need to send
Ma'am,
the
Farzan Bastawala.
exercises in the worksheet
Ma'am, Farzan
chapter
Bastawala
10.
sent.
Means the
Children, if you speak all
Ma'am,
together, it will be very difficult for the teacher to listen.
Farzan Bastawala sent. Ma'am, on the Jodia.
Yes, Farzan?
Ma'am, I've sent the worksheet.
I have also sent you by reply. You just check. Okay?
Okay. Ma'am, yes.
excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I've sent you the number line yesterday. You have not responded me.
Because you have sent me maybe late. So, and that is the back worksheet which we have already done 2, 3 days. Need time to check it
Ma'am, when
again.
you no, ma'am, when you commented that, then I
Okay.
edited
I'll
it neatly.
check it again and I'll see. Let you return you back. Okay. Sit properly, Dharya. Okay. Now, as you know that meantime, I am asking the tables also from few of the students. Let me start with the tables and then we start our class. And we done. Ekansh, your turn is done in the tables.
No, ma'am.
Ekansh, I'm asking from you.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ekansh, tell me table of 12. And Ekansh, I'll tell you one thing again. You please do not leave the class before the time. I think you have kept in your mind that the class starts at 10:10 and over at 10:40. No, the class starts over at 10:50. I have noticed 2-3 times whenever the time is from 10:10, you always leave your class at 10:40. Okay? So please leave your class on time because I think you are not aware that the attendance will be marked at the last. In last 5 minutes, the attendance will be marked, not before that. Okay, Kanch, can you please tell me the table of 12?
12 on the 12, 12 to the 26, 12 to the 36,
12 to the?
20, 24.
Yes.
12 on the 12, 12 to the 24, 12 3 the 36, 12 4 the 52.
12 4 the 52.
No.
Just check. 12 4 the 48.
12 4 the 48, 12 5 the 60, 12 6 the
12 6 the? They can't? Why camera is off? Someone else is coming to tell you? Yes. Tell me. 12 6 the?
Can I learn and say you tomorrow?
Yes, please. Learn, I will ask tomorrow again. Next child is?
Ma'am?
Yes. Who wants to speak? Jahan Agarwal. Jahan Agarwal. Jahan Agarwal. I'll call the name only 3 times. If you listen, you give me the answer. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
it will be marked.
Can I say a table of 12?
Rudra, your
Ma'am,
chance
can I
is
say-
done, no? No, I need to ask again, right?
Ma'am, my chance is not done.
Okay, I will
Ma'am,
ask.
can
So
I say
Jahan
table of
Agarwal is
12?
there right now. I want to speak with Jahan Agarwal.
Ma'am, no, I think camera is also off and
Not
he's-
responding.
yes, ma'am.
Jahan Jariwala.
Yes, ma'am.
Jahan Jariwala, I gave you chance 2-3 times to learn the tables. Have you learned? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
prepared?
I have learned 15. I am still trying. I have learned 15 table.
Till 15 or only 15?
Only 15.
What about the other?
And I am trying. I cannot do really
How many
well.
days you need to learn the tables?
And I have learned
Last
15.
week I'm giving you a chance to learn.
Okay.
Should I give you a grade now? On the basis of the performance which you have given me?
No.
So you need time again?
Yeah.
Or you try to tell me? Today you will try?
I can tell you 15. I have been learning 15. I cannot really learn. It's kind of hard.
What?
I have learned just 15 because it also took me like a bit of time.
Okay. So you tell me to the table of 15 and next time you please learn all the tables till 15.
Okay. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150.
Next. Yes, Rudra Master.
Ma'am, can I say the table of 12?
Yeah.
12
Rudra
ones are
Master,
12, 12 twos are 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 50, 12
12
sixes are
fives are?
72, 12 fives are 60, sorry.
Someone is speaking from there? Someone had speak from the background? I heard someone, some other person's voice from the back.
Ma'am, I don't hear anyone.
Okay. 12 sevens are?
12 sevens are 72,
12 sevens are?
12,
12 sixes are?
12 sixes are 72, 12 eights, 12 sevens are
8, 84, 12, 9, 12, 8 ja, 86.
12 8 ja?
No. 12, 8 ja,
96.
96. 12, 12, 8 ja, 96. 12, 9 ja, 108. 108. 12, 12, 10 ja, 120.
Okay. So meantime, I'll start my class, and then meantime, I'll ask the tables from the few students, those who are remaining.
the table of 12.
Later on, okay. So, yes,
Now can I see the table of 12?
later on, Ekansh, I'll give you a chance to speak. Okay. Now, as you all know that yesterday we have done how to take a 2-digit dividend and divide it with the 1-digit divisor. So you take any 2-digit dividend and divide it with the 1-digit divisor. Write it in the chat box, please. Take one sum. Take any one sum with 2-digit dividend and 1-digit divisor and divide it and write the quotient and remainder. Each child has to write one sum. Solve it in your notebook first. Rahil, don't sit like this. Have you?
Can't hear you.
No one is hearing me. Am I audible to everyone or not?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Audible.
Okay. So as I instructed you that you are going to divide one sum in which you have to take 2-digit division, 1-digit divisor, find the quotient and remainder. Write it in the chat box. And now, please mute your mics. Write it in the chat box, everyone. Solve it in your notebook first and write it in the chat box after that. Jishna, solve it.
Now can
No.
you tell one more time?
Ma'am, what we have to do?
One sum you had to solve in your notebooks on the basis of yesterday's topic.
Okay, ma'am.
2-digit dividend and 1-digit divisor. Okay, I can see many of you have started writing. Yes,
Ma'am, what we had to write, I had left the meeting because of network issue.
Samriddhi, you have to solve one division sum in your notebook. Write the answer in the chat box. Take any 2-digit as a dividend, 1 digit as a divisor, solve it and write the answer in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Twisha is here in the class. Twisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Twisha, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, Twisha has, I'm going to introduce that Twisha today. Twisha's your camera is not on. Yes. Okay. Can you stable your everything? All the things are stable? Arrange it properly fast. Twisha had made one division machine and she is going to show you how we have to divide it on that division machine. Yes, can you please show them?
So this is the division machine. Now let me show how it works. First of all, let me give a question. The question is 12 divided by 2. Okay. So first of all, I have already arranged 12 sticks like this. Now it's 12 divided by 2. So we have to remove 2 sticks from here and keep it in a cup. 2 sticks in 1 cup. So I have kept 6 Inside just 6 cups. So the quotient is 6 and no sticks are left over here. So the remainder is 0.
Good. Children, have you understood what she's trying to explain you with this division machine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's easy.
Yes. Good. I hope and I expecting from the other children also to do some kind of these creativities. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. So now I am going to read. I'm going to stop my chat box after 2 minutes. Kevna, have you done?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Now I'm going to stop it.
No division sign with me. There is no.
Yes. Yes, Ayush.
There is no division sign only.
So you do one thing, use the slash sign, or you can write the word divided by. Yes, Manda Chodia, you want to tell something?
Ma'am, we get easy answer from division machine.
Man, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, we get answer from division machine easily,
Yes.
like from Trisha.
Okay, now my chat box is closed. Now I'm going to read.
Ma'am, I was just sending and you close the chat box.
My dear, I have already instructed that within this time I'm going to close this. No worries, you will get the chance again in the next round.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, let me read. Prisha has written 9 divided by 12. The quotient is 1 and the remainder is 3. Is she right? You also, everyone has to open the chat box and start reading everyone's. Is she right? Yes or no? 9 divided by 12. Yes or no, children? I'm expecting the answers from you. Yes.
She's
Go to the next. Anushka has written 54 divided by 6. The answer is 9. The quotient is 9. Is she right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hevna has written 5 divided by 25. The quotient is 5. Is she right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yugbalia has written the dividend is 30 and the divisor is 5 and the quotient is 6. Is he right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vedant Goyal has written 30 divided by 2. Answer is 15. Is he right?
That is also correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Rehan is super intelligent because he had already moved one step ahead. He has done 3-digit division. So he has taken 3-digit dividend and 2-digit divisor. 450.
Ma'am, I didn't know that we have to do 2 digit and 1 digit.
My dear, I have already explained. It's okay.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
our today's topic which you have done now. Okay. 450 divided by 90. He has done the quotient is 5. Is he right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Vivan
ma'am.
Patel has taken 4
Yes,
divided by 48. Is Vivan right?
Yes.
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 Yes. Jahan Jariwala. Is he right? Children, please open your chat box. Jahan Jariwala has written 6 divided by 24.
Yes, ma'am. He's right.
Right. Prisha has written 3 divided by 68. The quotient is 22 and the remainder is 2. Is he right? Is she right? 68 divided by 3. 68 divided by 3. The answer is yes. Dare has written 24 divided by 4. The quotient is 6. Is he right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. He's right.
After Dare, Arya has written 1 divided by 10. The answer is 1.
She is right.
Hmm.
C is right.
1 divided by 10. Just check, Arya.
One.
Yeah. Rudra Master has written 4 divided
Ma'am,
by
it will be
48.
100.
Yes?
It will be 100.
Ma'am, idea is wrong.
No. Yes. Arya's, we will check it later. Yes. And Anvi, 7 divided by 35. 5. The remaining quotient is 5. Ayush has written 2 divided by 10, 5. Arna, 2 divided by 6 is 3. Ahuja, 2 divided by 20 is 10. Dhruv has written 6 divided by 2 is 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Ekansh has written, I don't know what he has written. You need to check Ekansh. Ayansh has written 30 divided by 6 is 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay.
Okay.
Now, our today's topic is, as we are clear with the how to divide a 2 digit with the 1 digit, our next topic is how to divide a more than 2 digits, like 2 digit with the 2 digits, or 2 digits with the 3 digit dividend with the 2 digit divisor. So this way we are going to learn today. Just a minute. Is my screen visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
3-digit numbers by 2-digit number. Today, let us learn division of 2 and 3-digit numbers by a 2-digit number with Miss Naina. Hello, kids. We have already learnt the multiplication tables. So, by using the tables, let us do some division. First, let us see how to divide a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. Divide 86 by 12. Here, as the divisor is 12, we use the table of 12 to find a product which is equal to or less than and nearest to the dividend, that is 86. The nearest product is 84. Hence, we write 7 in the quotient and 84 below 86. Finally, subtract 84 from 86, which is equal to 2. Thus, here we get the quotient as 7 and the remainder as 2. Kids, now let us see how to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Divide 123 by 15. Here, as the divisor is 15, we use the table of 15 to find a product which is equal to or less than and nearest to the dividend, that is 123. So, the nearest product is 120, as 8 into 15 is equal to 120. Hence, we write 8 in the quotient and 120 below 123 and subtract to get 3. So, we get 8 as the quotient and the remainder is 3. Why not solve one more example to understand it in a better way? Divide 114 by 17. We know that 6 into 17 is equal to 102. So, we write 6 in the quotient and subtract 102 from 114 to get the remainder as 12. Kids, wasn't it easy solving?
Children, have you noticed in one thing? Before going to the big numbers, you first have to know the tables. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So it is very much necessary and compulsory for you all to learn the tables. And then you will able to divide it. Whether then it फिर उसके बाद कितना भी बड़ा number आ जाए, you can easily solve it, right?
Devyosha, pay attention.
Devyosha, sit properly. Samriddhi, sit properly.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I know the table is till 19.
good. Yes, Dare, you were trying to tell me something.
And before when you were teaching division, you had just teach us with 2 number by 2 numbers. That time I learned everything. I learned 2 by 2, then 2 by 3. All
Yes.
I learned that time only.
Good. Yes. And yesterday we have learned how to check our answer also. Devyasha, can you please sit properly and stop playing with these things? Yesterday we have learned one formula how to check our answer also in the division. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi, you were not here. You are roaming in the room. I had asked something. You please pay attention now. Then you will say, because of some reason I log out from the class, ma'am. Can you please repeat? Which will be very difficult for the teacher to do that. Now, children, my next question is that yesterday we have learned one how to check the division sum, whether it is right or wrong, right? I have, Kevna, can you please sit properly? I have explained you one formula also yesterday, how to check your division sum. Can you please write it in the chat box? I'm going to open the chat box. Please write. And as Arya has written, as I told you that we will discuss the Arya's question, she has written 1 divided by 10. That, and our question is 1. Arya, you are here? Arya, you are here in the class? Arya, can you listen to me?
Arya, please respond to ma'am.
Arya, you have written 1 divided by 10 and your quotient is 1.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Arya, will you log out and log in again?
Okay.
This you can listen.
This she has listened.
Okay. So children, please write the formula in the chat box. Yes, Vihan has written dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. This way you can check your answer also. So now, whenever you do the division sum, either in the worksheet or in the classwork in the notebook, you have to check your answer by your own. Whether your answer is right or your answer is wrong with this formula which you have learned yesterday. Right? Now, open your textbook, page number 129. I am going to present my screen. And I'll show you which page number you have to open.
Ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to present. Ma'am, my screen is visible now.
Page number,
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes.
Page number 129. My screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, on page number 129, try doing these. The sums are given in your textbook. This you have to solve in your notebook in classwork right now. Start doing. Is Arya came? Attended the class again?
So send this sum to you.
Ma'am, she came.
Yes, children, one by one, tell me.
Ma'am.
We have to do in notebook the sums in textbook.
Yes, the sums which are given in the textbook on page number 129, these sums you have to solve it in the notebook along with the check method. You have to check your answers by your own,
Ma'am,
whether they are right or wrong. Yes, there is.
ma'am, I can't.
Why?
Ma'am, we have to send this sums.
You first of all solve, Kahan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, there is. What is your query?
We have to send this with the homework, right? Today's.
You first of all solve. Why you are worrying about sending me?
Okay.
You first have to need to complete this first. Samriddhi, sit properly and try to do it. This is your classwork. And start writing the answers in the chat box once you are done.
Ma'am, page number.
Lakshya, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the page number on this? Yes or no, Lakshya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please do these sums in your notebook. A to H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, Arya, you are here in my class?
Ma'am, it's notebook only or textbook?
Yes, ma'am, she is there.
In notebook, Ayansh, it is not possible to solve it in the textbook. You don't have much space. Okay, can I talk to you, Arya?
Yes, ma'am.
Arya, your sum was 1 divided by 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what will be the quotient in this case?
Ma'am, 1.
How? Can you please explain us? 1 is your dividend or a divisor? Anvi, you are also writing the same thing. 1 divided by 10.
No, ma'am, the answer of the first.
Okay, the answer of the first you are writing. The first is 5 is your divisor and 65 is your dividend, right? So what will be the answer? Check your answer. And Arya, you have told 1. How it is 1? Can you check with your answer with this check method? ठीक है, आपने check method learn किया था आर्या कल? क्या फॉर्मूला है उसका कि अपना आंसर हम कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं?
Yes,
Ma'am, we can use colorful pen.
No need to require for colorful pen. Use the simple pen. Okay. Yes, Arya. Can you please tell me how you can check your own answer? कोई सम है, मैंने डिवाइड किया, मैं अब उसको चेक कैसे करूं whether it is right or wrong?
Ma'am, can I ask one question?
Can I? What you are saying?
Ma'am.
Mikdad, wait. You mute your mic, Mikdad.
Ma'am, I would have.
Yes, Arya, ask.
Can I ask one question?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not clear with this 2-digit number multiply by that 3 digit.
Multiply or the division?
Oh, sorry, division.
Division. Which sum just now which I have explained you, that sums?
Yes.
Okay. Can you take one example which you want to know? आप खुद ही बताइए कि आपको कौन सा सम समझना है. कोई भी डिविडेंड लीजिए और डिवाइजर लीजिए. Arya, you can tell me any number.
29 by 139.
29 by
139.
See, in this, your bigger number should come. 139 by 29 should come. Not 29 divided by 139. Okay. Okay. Now you tell me 139 by 29. Okay. You want to take this? Okay. In this, you tell me which is your dividend and which is your divisor. Just a minute, Arya, I'll come back to you again. Mikdad, what you were asking? Mikdad? Mikdad, you are not.
I was asking that we have to show the checking method or just erase them.
No, you have to show.
So I will not erase them.
No.
I will show them at last.
Yes, Anushka. Anushka, yes.
Do we have to send the answers in the chat box?
Yes. Okay. Arya, now your 139 divided by 29. So in this case, what is your dividend and what is your divisor?
139 is the divisor.
Divisor.
Sorry, dividend.
Hmm.
And
Always
29
remember the big number will be the dividend and the small number will be your divisor.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now you divide it. Start dividing. You know the table of 29?
No.
No. So if you don't know the table of big numbers, how you will do then in that case? In that case, you have to first of all write the table of that number. And you know how to frame the tables?
ma'am,
Just a minute, Kahan. You know, आर्या आपको पता है कि टेबल कैसे बनाई जाएगी?
Remember pressing the numbers.
Because tables कैसे बनती है? Tables is the multiplications. Yes? Yes or no, Arya?
Yes.
And it multiplication is a repeated addition.
Maybe your voice is breaking.
I'm saying multiplication is a repeated addition. So
Yes.
if 29 ones are 29, what will be 29 twos are?
Ma'am,
Can you
okay,
add-
I'm leaving, huh? I'm
Yeah.
leaving.
Can you add 29 two times? Can you add 29 two times?
Yes.
What will be the
can
answer?
ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Lamha, can you please try to help him?
And the answer is 58.
58. Like this, first of all, you have to frame the table of the big number which you don't know. So you have to make the tables and then you will easily able to divide it.
Okay.
Okay, तो पहले आपको tables बनाना आनी चाहिए. If you don't know the table, because you can easily able to learn table of till 20. But after that, if you face any difficulty, so जो भी divisor है आपका, उसके base उस पे आप table बनाओ उसकी by adding or by multiplying. If you multiply 29 by 2, then also you will get 58. And if you add 29 two times, then also the answer is 58. ओके सो जब आपने पूरी 10 तक उस नंबर की उस डिवाइजर की टेबल बना दी, राइट हैंड साइड में रफ वर्क में बना सकते हो, और उसके बाद आपने अपना डिवीजन शुरू किया तो आपको इजीली आ जाएगा.
मैम,
ओके तो सबसे पहले डिवीजन के लिए टेबल आना जरूरी है. ठीक है. और yes, I'll solve your that question also that you said 1 divided by 10 is equals to 1. वो भी solve करना है. Yes, Kahan, tell me.
ma'am, we have to do try doing this with check method. Check method.
Yes. Check method में तो बाद में solve करना है आपको. First of all, you try to solve it with the long division method.
Okay, ma'am.
Check method तो बाद में apply होगा once you are clear, once you have done your division. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.